Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show how to set best YouTube streaming in high definition. So I'm gonna just do that. Just watch this. For that you need to open this your OBS Studio and go to your settings. Under settings, come to stream and you need to choose your streaming. I'm going to do this in YouTube. First I'm going to set this YouTube gaming and I need to provide the streaming key. I'm gonna copy the streaming key. Gonna paste here and click apply and give OK. Before that, just please ensure that you are in private to test this. And now go back to OBS Studio and go to settings again and come this output. In this output mode, right, just change this to advanced. Here, right, on the track, leave it like this, and this encoder, right, I'm going to choose this. I'm using NVIDIA graphics card, so I'm just using this NVNCH, and this 920 into 8080 pixel, and bitrate I'm going to change to 40,000. So, and audio I'm going to change, this is 320. This is best for streaming, and that's it. You're all set. Apply and come to video and change this down output, right, change this to 99280, sorry, 1920 into 1080, and this downscale filter change to landscape sharpen scaling and change this to 60 the frames per second. Click apply. Come to advanced and change this YUV color space equal to 709 and color range to full, and this is should be above normal or high. You can change whatever. That's it. Leave it like this and click apply, give OK, and I'm gonna start streaming now. Before that I need to add, right, I have a game capture, so specific window I need to choose. I'm using AverMedia. Yes. Now I need to set this to 1920. Now it's crystal clear. See this image, and press start this. Now I'm gonna stream this. So start streaming after all your settings. See how this crystal clear is in HD high definitions. Start streaming. So you can verify of my channel. So it's starting good. Wow, superb. Wow, it's a crystal clear. See this? I'm just going to make it how the fastest to check this. Super fast. So that's it. This is the way you can do the live streaming. So with high definition of YouTube, just follow this instruction. That's it. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please put comments and feedbacks in my video form. Thank you. Bye.